Good morning, guys. I just went out to the local Harbor Freight and I picked up this pole saw there. It's electric, plugs right into an extension cord. And pretty excited. I got a black walnut tree limb that grows right over the greenhouse. And we're going to cut that sucker down. But this is going to be a review video on this and how much I like it. It did not come with chain oil and bar oil, so I had to go pick that up. That was about $6. This saw was about $45. I bought the insurance plan for 2 years. I can return it even if it's working. I don't need a receipt, and they'll replace it. So to me, it seemed like a win-win. It was $19 more for that. They said even if the chain goes dull, come back in and they'll give me a new one. So, seems worth it. 7 amps, 9.5 inch bar, 8 foot 10 inches handle length. This thing is pretty bad to the bone, and I've seen other videos on it, and it looks pretty, it's got good reviews. People out here are not, they're not talking down about it, so I'm really excited to try it out. Let's get it opened up and set up. Hey, hush! Read the instructions here and figure this puppy out. Alrighty. Chain assembly instructions. Get the chain going the right direction. Tighten the chain down on the rail. Looks pretty easy. What's this here? Good quality chain. Alright, oil it up good. Alright, we can do that. I don't want a funnel. I don't think there's any way I'm gonna get it. It is what it is. We'll just dry it up. Cut like a champ. Oh, I'm pleased with it. Look at these new coasters I got. Real nice. Stay tuned, because this limb here, that's right over the greenhouse, that limb is coming down soon. And sorry if this video is a little bit windy, but I'll post a video of that limb getting cut down, and you guys can check it out then. But so far, I mean, that thing cuts like butter.